Many survivors reach a point where they begin to notice something unsettling. They understand what happened, they've gained insight, they may even have distance from the relationship, and yet confidence doesn't immediately return. This often creates a quiet pressure to try to feel confident again, to regain the sense of stability and internal certainty they remember having before. When that confidence doesn't appear on command, it can lead to a troubling conclusion that something must still be wrong. In most cases, that conclusion is not accurate. What most people call confidence is not simply a feeling. It reflects an internal system that has regained trust in its own interpretation of reality. After prolonged relational instability, that system does not disappear, but it does become cautious. Your internal authority learns to monitor external conditions more closely. It learns to wait, to check, to confirm. This adaptation protects you while instability is present, but afterwards, it can create the impression that confidence has been lost. In response, many people attempt to restore confidence directly. They try to think more decisively, act more certain, override hesitation. However, this often creates additional internal tension. When confidence is approached as something that must be forced, your system detects pressure rather than safety, and pressure reinforces caution. Confidence does not return through pressure. It returns when pressure is no longer present. Your system begins restoring internal authority when it no longer expects instability. This process is usually gradual. It develops as your internal system relearns that its own signals can be trusted without constant verification. Confidence often returns as a result of this stabilization rather than as a result of effort. It reemerges as internal safety becomes consistent. Many survivors misinterpret this phase. They assume that the absence of immediate confidence means something has been permanently damaged. In reality, what they are often observing is recalibration. Their system is relearning how to prioritize internal signals after a prolonged period of external monitoring. This recalibration follows its own timeline. Trying to force confidence often creates additional pressure. Allowing stability to return naturally is what allows confidence to re-emerge. If you recognize yourself in this stage, it does not mean you have failed to recover. It means your system is reorganizing after prolonged instability. Confidence, in its most stable form, is not created through effort. It returns as internal authority stabilizes. If structured support during this phase feels helpful, Power and Purpose Academy provides a paced environment designed specifically for stabilizing internal authority without forcing progress or rushing clarity. You can find more information in the description below. And if you're not ready for that, you are always welcome to continue here and move at your own pace. In the next video, we will explore why many survivors begin questioning their own judgment even after gaining clarity, and how that experience fits into the broader process of internal authority restoration. We'll pause here.